Nakakaapekto ba ang screen time or ang pagharap sa ating mga phones sa acne at melasma? So guys, may nakita tayong research na published noong 2024 and sasagutin natin to by examining this research. So according sa naturang study guys, screen time was defined or refers to as the duration of electronic device usage, specifically yung mga computers, tablets, at saka smartphones. And ipinakita sa study na ito guys that extended screen time from tablets and smartphones was found to be an independent risk factor for acne, indicating a significantly increased risk. So ganun din guys sa melasma, no? Longer computer use was associated with a higher risk of melasma. So ipiniliwanag sa study guys, no, yung posibleng mechanism para ma-explain yung relationship ng screen time with acne and melasma. Sabi doon kasi yung exposure sa blue light from the screens might actually increase the oxidative stress sa ating balat, increasing inflammation, and thereby it may promote acne formation. And yung blue light exposure may actually increase also melanogenesis, thereby also possibly promoting the development of hyperpigmenting conditions such as your melasma. So ano ba dapat yung tamang duration lang sa pagharap natin sa mga screens sa phone, tablets, and computers natin? Although hindi doon sinabi sa study na yon, previous research suggests that we need to limit our screen time under 2 hours daily. Pero Doc, what if hindi talaga maiwasan? Kasi yun nga yung work ko involved sa phone and involved din sa computer na kailangan nakaharap ako sa phone and computer ko kasi I usually do my task or work through my phone or computer. Kaya ito yung mga simpleng pwede nyong gawin para maprotektahan yung skin ninyo from the blue light exposure from your screen. So number one guys ay gumamit ng mga blue light filters. Okay? So may mga brands just kagaya ng Q-Shield, ZAG Invisible Shield, and Belkin Screen Force. Meron din guys para sa mga screens ng desktop computers. Number 2, take a break, okay? I-follow nyo yung 20-20-20 rule. So, after 20 minutes of using your phone, take a break, no? Look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. And also, do not forget your sunscreen. So, choose a broad spectrum sunscreen that can protect you from UV, infrared, and visible light radiation. So, you can look for ingredients such as your iron oxides, or if may zinc oxide po yung sunscreen ninyo, actually, it can offer some protection also from your visible light. And also guys, don't forget your vitamin C serums or skincare para ma-counteract natin yung oxidative stress na na-generate dun sa inyong balat sa pagka-expose dito sa mga blue rays or blue light. Number 4 guys is to regulate your circadian rhythm. So if matutulog na tayo guys, no, we need to avoid screens 1 to 2 hours before going to bed to support hormonal balance. And you need to maintain a consistent sleep schedule para maiwasan natin or decrease the risk of stress-related acne. And also guys, you can minimize the phone to face contact, no? So you can use mga earphones para hindi nakadikit yung phone ninyo sa inyong mukha, which can transfer bacteria and oils to your face, which can trigger or exacerbate acne. So yun guys, no, I'm actually excited for more research that will come in the future that will either support or debunk this relationship of your screen time and your acne and melasma. But since tayo mga Filipinos, no, darker skin phototypes, and I feel like Filipino skin is extra sensitive compared to other skin types, to visible light radiation, mas maganda na, mas mag-ingat na lang tayo. I hope yung mga tips na binigay ko sa inyo, you'll find it useful. Alright, guys? If you have questions about acne, research about acne, you can drop a comment or send me a direct message. Alright, guys? For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!